Hello everyone, myself Shashank and I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, and my USN is 1VE23CS 156, section Chanakya, subject Java, topic simple inventory apps. Now first let us discuss about features of simple inventory apps. Add a new item. Allow to use to add a new inventory item with details like name, description, quality, and price. View items. Display a list of inventory items. Update items. Allow us to update extending the items. Delete a item. Allow user to remove item from inventory. Search a item. User can search from item by the name. Steps to build a inventory apps. Step 1. Step up the environment. We will use a Python with the form, the GUI and the database. Step 2. Create the database. Use to create a manage the inventory database. Step 3. Design the GUI. Use to design the user inventory phase for adding, updating, deleting, and viewing the inventory items. Step 3. Step 4. Implement CRUD operations. Write to function to the implement with the database like create, read, update, and delete. Now let us discuss a small program. First, we should add public void add items and we should give the string name and the quality of the items. For item is to inventory. If the item gets the name and we should ignore the case of the name. And the next item dot set the quality. We are setting the quality of the item. Item dot get the quality plus quality and the return. And the last step is inventory add new item name quality and another program example 2 public void view the inventory. If the inventory is empty, then the next step is system.out.println enter the inventory is empty or else inventory dot for each system.out.println bracket close and the two brackets will be closing. Now let us discuss how the code works. Database operation. There are two steps. The squalet3 label is used to connect the and implement the database, and the next step is the item the table stores in the item database with columns for such as ID, name, description, price, quality, etc. And the next step is GUI, and in this there are three steps. Step 1. The library is used to create a simple window. The library is used to create a simple window with, and we should enter the entry file for entering the items details. This is step 1 and the step 2. Buttons are used for operations like in these buttons are used to operations like adding, viewing, updating and deleting and inventory of the items etc. And the last step is A list box. A list box is used to display the current inventory. And next, the last is operations. First is add items. Insert a new item into the database. We should insert a new item to the database for adding the items. And the second step is view the items. It does and the displays all the items. And the next step is update the items. We are updating the items. Update and extend the item details based on the IDs. And the last step is delete the item. In this, the last step, we are deleting the items based on the databases. Delete an item for the databases based on its item, based on the based on its ID. How to run a program? Make sure that in Python or else in Java, first install on your system. And the second step is and install the Tkinter. It is usually comes for pre-installation with the Python. And third, we should save the code into the file and run it. And the fourth step is use the GUI to interact with the inventory of the systems. Thank you for watching.